135 Jamaicans killed by the police since the start of the year. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The number of people killed by the security force since the start of the year has risen to 135. That's according to the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDECOM). The figure is 80 more than the 55 individuals killed up to May 30th of last year. It represents a 145% increase in police fatal shooting when compared to the similar period last year. So far, 24 have been reported in May alone. That's double more than the number recorded in May last year with 11. But amidst the concern of increase in police fatal shooting, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake is once again rejecting claims of a hit squad in the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
I don't know from where that comes, right? But that's absolutely not how we operate. We have no such thing. As a matter of fact, the JCF of today, if you notice, there's no one individual, there's no one formation, there's no one name. The name brand policing era has gone. What you hear is a Jamaica Constabulary Force. Thank you. Secondly, I went at length in one of my articles to outline the various oversight bodies around the JCF. And I must say that we probably have the largest number of oversight body in any police organization in this side of the world. It means, therefore, the things that sometimes people say, it defies logic. It defies logic.
That was Dr. Kevin Blake, Commissioner of Police. He was speaking on Thursday at a special post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.